onto your hats, folks, because Kenya's Olympic kit has sparked a debate hotter than the Kenyan sun. As the world gears up for the Olympics, Team Kenya's new look has everyone talking. Some are calling it a bold statement of athletic prowess, while others say it misses the mark on celebrating Kenyan heritage. One thing is for sure, this controversy is far from over. This isn't just about fashion, it's about national identity, athletic pride, and what it means to represent Kenya on the world stage. Get ready to dive into a debate that's got everyone picking sides. Picture this: Kenyan athletes bursting onto the Olympic stage, a blur of red and green. Nike, the sportswear giant, has unveiled a kit inspired by the speed and power of Ferrari. The signature red, a symbol of passion and intensity, dominates the design. Streamlined silhouettes and bold graphics evoke the aerodynamic elegance of race cars. It's a look that screams speed and athleticism, a visual representation of Kenya's dominance in distance running. The message is clear: Kenya is here to win. Nike's designers say they want to empower athletes, giving them a psychological edge with a kit that embodies confidence and power. But wait, not everyone is cheering. Critics argue the new kit overlooks Kenya's cultural heritage. They point to the absence of traditional patterns and symbols. Where is the vibrant kente cloth, the intricate beadwork, the majestic lion? Symbols of Kenyan identity? Can a national uniform be both modern and culturally representative? Section 4. A nation divided. Voices from both sides. Kenyan fashion designers, athletes, and citizens have been vocal in expressing their views. Proponents praise its modern aesthetic and message of athletic dominance. They see it as a bold step forward, embracing innovation. Traditionalists disapprove, saying it fails to capture Kenyan identity. They believe the Olympics should celebrate cultural diversity. Section 5. Red, green, and everything in between. Social media explodes. Hashtags like #KenyaKit and #KenyanHeritage are trending nationwide. Supporters applaud the bold and modern Nike design. They share images of athletes in the new kit, emphasizing its sleekness. Critics voice their disappointment on Twitter and Instagram. They share past Olympic kits, highlighting traditional designs. Many call for a redesign, urging Nike to incorporate Kenyan culture. Section 6. The world is watching. Kenya's moment in the global spotlight. As the Olympics draw nearer, the world watches with bated breath. Kenya's performance on the track is always highly anticipated. The controversy surrounding the kit has thrust Kenya into the global spotlight, sparking conversations about national identity and cultural representation. Kenya's journey at the Olympics will be closely followed. The world holds its breath, waiting to see how this story unfolds.